Hello everyone, my name is Deepika. I am here with the topic of inorganic chemistry and the unit name is thermodynamic and kinetic aspect of metal complexes. One of the most important aspect of metal complexes is the stability of the complexes formed. The stability depends upon the nature of the metal and the ligands as well as in reaction condition. A compound may be unstable with respect to a particular reactant or condition such as heat, light, acid, base, etc. Two types of stabilities are generally recognized for the metal complexes: thermodynamic stability and kinetic stability. The thermodynamic stability refers to a equilibrium constant and deals with bond energy, stability, constant, redox potential, etc. On the other hand, kinetic stability deals with rates and mechanism of chemical reactions. Thermodynamic stability of reactions. In a broad sense, the term stability of a compound means that the compound exists and under suitable conditions may be stored for a long period of time. The terms stable or unstable are thermodynamic terms which refer to the tendency of species to exist or not. The thermodynamic stability of a complex is the measure of the extent of formation of as Lewis acid base reaction. If the interaction is strong, the complex formed would be thermodynamically more stable. Therefore, thermodynamic stability may be expressed in terms of equilibrium constant for the formation of the complex. For example, for the reaction Cu2 positive plus 4NH3 gives CuNH3 positive. The equilibrium constant Ks is given as Ks is equal to CuNH3 positive divided by Cu2 positive NH3. The larger the numerical value of Ks, the more thermodynamic stable is the complex. Similar expression can be written for other complexes also, and the comparison of the stability constant can be made for various complexes formed under similar conditions. For example, the stability constant Ks for the above reaction is 4.5 into 10 raised to power 21. The high value of Ks means that complex ion is thermodynamically stable. That is, the equilibrium lies to the right. The stability constant for the similar cyanide complex of Cu2 positive plus 4Cn negative gives CuCN4 negative. For the cyanide complex is larger in comparison to corresponding amine complex. Similarly, in case of Ag positive complexes, it can be shown that cyanide forms stable complex with Ag2 positive than ammonia. Let us compare the stability constant of 2 nickel. Ni2 positive plus 6NH3 gives NiNH3 6 2 positive. Then Ks value indicate that bidendant ligand ethylene diamine forms a considerably more stable complex than ammonia. It may be noted that sometimes the reciprocal of stability constant 1 by Ks called the dissociation constant is also used. For example, for the reaction CuNH3 2 positive Cu2 positive plus 4NH3, the equilibrium constant may be given by the expression dK dissociation is equal to 1 by Ks is equal to 1 by 4.5 into 10 raised to power 23 is equal to 2.22 into 10 raised to power minus 22. The K dissociation for the complex ion is 2.22 multiply 10 raised to power minus 22. This shows that the extent or degree of dissociation for the complex ion is extremely small. In other words, the complex ion is highly stable. Thus, the smaller the value of dissociation constant, the greater will be the stability of the complex. Alternatively, the larger the value of dissociation constant, lesser will be the stability of the complex. Stability constant for of complexes. Let us consider the formation of the complex MLN as M plus NL gives MLN. The reaction proceeds by the following steps. M plus NL give ML, and the equilibrium constant for this reaction will be K1 is equal to ml divided by m into L. Similarly, MLN is formed by the following reactions. Now we will see there will be an such equilibrium where n represent maximum coordination number of a metal ion for the ligand L. The equilibrium constant K1, K2, K3 goes to Kn are known as stability constant, since a ligand which is already coordinate to a metal ion repels the n increasing ligand because of Coulombic repulsion. The value of stepwise constant decrease in the order. K1 is greater than K2, K2 is greater than K3, and K3 is greater than K3 is greater than Kn. Now, thus beta n is equal to n pi I is equal to 1 Ki. There is same number of overall formation constant as stepwise formation constant related as beta 1 is equal to K1, beta 2 is equal to K1 dot K2, beta 3 is equal to K1 dot K2 dot K3. In general, beta n is equal to K1 dot K2 dot K3 and goes to Kn, or beta or log beta alpha is equal to log K1 plus log K2 plus log K3 and goes to log Kn. Thus, log beta may be used as a measure of stability of the complex. For example, log beta 4 is equal to log K1 plus log K2 plus log K3 plus log K4. Thus, the log beta values of above two complexes indicate that complex is more stable than CdNH3 2 plus complex. That is why in the second group of qualitative analysis of basic radicals does not form precipitate as CuS, and when H2S is passed through the solution containing CuNH3 2 positive complex ions, while Cd2 positive readily forms precipitate of CdS where when H2S gas is passed through a solution containing. This is because of instability of CdNH3 2 plus complex ion. Thus, the relative value of stability constant indicate the relative concentration of species at equilibrium. The larger value of stability constant indicate that the concentration of the complex ion is much greater than the concentration of constituting ions or molecules from which the complex is formed. In general, a complex is regarded as stable complex if its log beta is more than 8. Kinetic and thermodynamic stability. We have learned the thermodynamic stability of metal complexes in terms of stability constant, which indicate the bonding strength of the metal ligand bonds. On the basis, the metal complexes may be termed as stable or unstable. The stability of metal complexes is also expressed in terms of kinetic stability. This is expressed in terms of lability or inertness, the ability of a complex to permit quick exchange of its one or more ligands in its coordination sphere by other ligand is called the lability of the complex. Those complexes for which such substitution reactions are rapid are called labile, whereas those complexes for which such substitution reactions proceed slowly or do not proceed at all are called inert. It may be noted that the terms labile or inert are kinetic terms because they express the rates of reaction. The term kinetic stability should not be confused with thermodynamic stability, which refers to the tendency of species to exist. The distinction between these types of stability can be understood by a simple example. The complex ion persists for months in acidic medium, indicating its kinetic inertness. The However, this complex ion is thermodynamically unstable because it has very large equilibrium constant for the reaction. Therefore, the order of stability is Mn2 positive is less than Mn. Fe2 positive is less than Cu2 positive. Cu2 positive is less than Ni2 positive is less than Cu2 positive is greater than Zn2 positive. All these ions carry the same charge, but the size increases as we move from Cu2 positive to Mn2 positive. If we include divalent ions of alkaline earth metals such as Mg2 positive, Cu2 positive, Sr2 positive and Be2 positive, the stability of complexes of divalent ions increase in the order. This order of stability is known as Irving-Williams series. This order arises in part from decrease in size of the ions across the series and in part from ligand field stabilization effect. The stability of metal ligand bond increases regularly from Ba2 positive to Mg2 positive because of decrease in size or increase in polarizing power. That is charge or size ratio as. However, beyond Mn2 positive, there is increase in stability for Fe2 positive because of additional stabilization of the octahedral complexes by crystal field stabilization energies, electronegativity of or charge distribution of metal. The stability of complex ion is also related to the electronic charge distribution on the metal ion. According to Harland, Chet and Davis, metal ions may be classified into two ions, class A metals. These are fairly electropositive metals and include the alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. Most of the known transition metals, those transition metals having only a few d valence electrons. In other words, class A metals have relatively few electrons beyond an inert gas ones. Class B metals, these are much less electropositive metals and include heavy metals such as RH, Pd, Ag, Ir, Pt, Au, Hg, Pb, etc. These have a relatively large number of d electrons beyond an inert gas core. In general, class A metals which attract electrons weakly from most stable complexes with those ligands having slightly electronegative atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. On the other hand, class B metal from most stable complex with ligand containing P, S, A, S, Br and I, which can accept electrons from the metal to form pi bonds. A number of borderline metal falls between these two classifications.